Got it.
You're right under there.
Bit of a piss take, isn't it, to open a boot?
It's at least it's a live one, and you want.
Welcome to Absolute Car. And today, as you can see, we're getting the alloys refurbed. Andy here, he's just taking the wheels off, he's letting the air out of the tyres, and he's going to get to work on getting rid of the curb damage. So, enjoy.
On top of doing the alloys, Andy will also be repairing the dent on the sill, the paint peel on the bumper and the dent on the boot, while we will be replacing the front grille, the badges, the exhaust mounts.
So at the moment we're trying to get to the screws behind the front bumper to be able to replace the front grille. Tom reckons he can get in there with a little screwdriver. So we'll give that a go. If not, the whole bumper might have to come off, but we'll see how it goes. Tom, he's just putting the primer on now.
Okay.
What colour are we going to go?
You said silver.
You having second thoughts?
To modernise it a little bit, maybe just go with anthracite, like a nice grey on it.
Like
It's not black, but
like a nice bright pink.
no. No. What do you genuinely
Pink.
believe? Do you think go grey, silvery grey, like as silver as they are, or do we? I think you look nice. It's just not as.
The grey's cool though, but will it go?
I think it will, yeah. Problem is you've got the silver mirrors.
Yeah.
Can we spray them? Anthracite. Then we've got the handle silver. And how far do you go?
Yeah, it's a bit of a problem because, like you say, do you keep it in
If they
tune
were
with
black,
the car?
I think you could go the anthracite.
Should you just go silver then? So it just looks right.
I don't know.
Yeah. We'll have a think. You'll see at the end anyway what we've gone with.
Wheeler dealers will make a profit on this because all the work's done for free. What we're doing is a realistic, what's the word, a realistic representation of what you do. I mean, change the grill's a piece of piss, but doing the wheels properly, you've got to pay for it. You can do it yourself. You can do it yourself, and I'm sure it'll look absolutely fine, but I just feel it's that little bit better, ain't it?
So when you say the grill's a piece of piss, how come you've been doing it for 45 minutes?
Because these two screws don't come because they're spinning because whoever fitted it last overtimed it.
Always got an excuse, hasn't he?
I think that's coming off now. Whoever fitted it last just over tightened it. Bust off all the thread into the plastic. There you go, done. Beautiful. Oh, that one's broke as well. That's just how they come. There you go, so that's how it comes.
Yeah, because if it closed, it wouldn't actually fit.
There you go.
It wouldn't actually fit around it.
Beautiful. Maybe you should start from out. They can't be asked to make it correctly, so they put a brake in it, like everything else on the car, because then you can wiggle it and hopefully it works.
Well, I think Alpha's policies just do it and
Break
then
it beforehand.
Or,
Like
yeah,
that.
and then people can just fix stuff afterwards.
You could make that the correct size, couldn't you?
Yeah.
But they've broken it so it can be fitted. You know.
That's the Italians for you.
Oh, you bastard. Okay, look away, look away. Come on. Come on. Don't show him. Look away, look away. Sean, I got it off really easily. Yeah, so where that is.
Oh, so it's all done then, yeah?
Yeah, I got it off piece of piss.
Excellent, yeah.
Piece of piss, that was, yeah. To be honest, I just stabbed a hole in the middle where there was a gap. Leave it here. It hasn't damaged anything, it's actually worked really well.
Right, and so we got some new wheel badges. This is the old one, as you can see. Absolutely battered. And the new one. Hang on a sec, they're not the same stock. Tom, the wheel badges aren't the same size. Look.
Kill me.
We were going to do the brake calipers Gonna take all the well, horrible colour of red off and clean it down and put a nice new colour of red on it. But oh, this is our new caliper that we had to get. We're gonna spray all that red as well. But the only problem is it's gonna take probably about, how long? 8 hours, you reckon?
Probably taking the car off.
Getting all the old paint off. So that's gonna be another video. So, how much has this car cost so far? About 10 grand?
Yeah. That's Toots, named after Tootsy, that. Wow. If you're struggling to get that off, I don't understand how they go on. Do you know what I mean?
It just needs light speed.
Do you think just hit it?
I think, yeah, if we put a bit of WD-40 on it, lubricate it up.
Then you don't want to lubricate yourself, if you know what I mean.
Oh, lube me up. That's one off. There you go.
Wow. Fair play. Nice. Now the other one.
Yep. What are you doing over here, Tom?
Rear badge is on. Looking nice. It has a bit of plastic underneath which is clipped on. That ended up coming out and I resealed it with 3M tape. Put that back on top of it, clipped it in. And then
nice.
I was just having a little look under here, as you do, and I don't know if this is the original fire extinguisher, but it's in some sort of packaging.
Why? The only thing though, if that's an alpha part, that won't extinguish fires. That will create fires.
It will. It
sprays out fire, that will.
That's true. Fire causer. It
Fire
says on it.
causer.
There you go. Oh, what a load of crap. We've got a triangle.
The reason
this
that's
is
in
needed.
there.
Hold on. This is needed.
Oh, that's been used loads.
Yeah, let's have a look. Let's get this out. We might as well put this out permanent now. This is probably broken though. Let's have a look. Ah, mate, this works. There you go.
Oh, brilliant.
Permanent alpha part there. Perfect. I'll put that there. Look, just with my nose.
Looks like our second one's ready.
There you go. Looking lovely. Same about the pretty badge, isn't it?
Yeah, it is a bit, isn't it, Tom?
So what, is it one coat of primer and then?
A couple of coats of Primax, and then mix the colour. Well, I think I might have this colour mix actually, 'cause it's the same as the Fiat colour. So a couple of coats of lacquer over it, clear lacquer.
Sounds good.
Big thank you to Andy for doing a cracking job on the alloys and the bodywork. I'll leave his number in the description, so if you're in the Midlands area, give him a shout, let him know we've sent you, and I'm sure he won't give you any discount. Our Alfa Romeo is now finished. We've done the wheels sorted, the sills sorted, front badge, rear badge, front grille, the boot, the dents, the paint peel. I think that's it. We just need to get time now. We've got to do the calipers, which is another mission. I think we're going to try that ourselves. Needs a proper detail and a full-on clean. But we'll get there, and it's looking good. The car is looking good. It doesn't now, but it's getting there. Badges, wrong badges ordered. Shame. Kill me. And with that, I'm done. The car's done. We're done.